So I've got a pre-weighed bag because I'm going to subtract that from the total weight of the bag after the sample has dried, and this is a vegetative sample, the transect, and the sample number. And then this is what our sample looks like. And since this is T13 and we wrote T11 on here, we have to change that number to a 3. But you can see this bag has been pre-weighed. So we'll take this back to the lab and put it in the drying oven probably for 3 weeks. And we'll mass it in the lab at the end of every week until it reaches a constant dry mass. And that's the mass that we use for this particular sample. Okay, so we collected biomass in the wetland on transect 1 and 2, and we should have at the end of the field lab, we should have 15 bags of dry mass or biomass. So we dry those in a low temp drying cabinet, and after they've reached steady or constant dry mass, we consider that done. And if you remember, the bags have bag mass on them, and so we have 2 masses here. We have the bag mass B, and then we have the dry mass after those samples have dried. So we just subtract the bag mass from the dry mass so that we remove the bag from the equation. And the quadrat that we used for collection of the biomass was 1/4 meter. And so we need to multiply this by 4 to get the grams per square meter of biomass.